The exterior design of the Toyota FJ Cruiser 2023 is so traditional, and it makes the car look like a true off-roader. It features a stylish front grille, halogen headlights, daytime running lights, and front fog lights. The sides feature 17-inch wheels with two 65/70 tires, a side step, chrome door handles, and chrome power folding side mirrors with an illumination lamp. The rear of the Toyota FJ Cruiser 2023 includes rear brake lights, rear bumper, spare tire, cargo access, high-mounted brake light, and exhaust system. Exterior colors available are black, blue, brown, gray, red, white, and yellow. Exterior dimensions are 467 centimeters length, 190.5 centimeters width, 183 centimeters height, and 269 centimeters wheelbase. Interior features of the Toyota FJ Cruiser 2023 include fabric seats, a manual driver seat height control, an armrest for the driver and another for the front passenger, a leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel, mirror sun visors for the driver and front passenger, adjustable rear seats with headrests, and rubber on the floor and seats for increased durability and easier dirt and water removal. A manual air conditioner with AC vents is also included on the inside. A 4.0L V6 engine with 268 horsepower and 380 Nm of torque, mated to a 5-speed automated transmission and a 4WD drivetrain, powers the Toyota FJ Cruiser 2023. It goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 8.0 seconds, and it can go up to 180 km per hour. The Toyota FJ Cruiser 2023 comes in 5 trims: FJ, FJ GXR, FJ1, FJ2, FJ Final Edition, FJ1 Final Edition, FJ2 Final Edition, and are powered by 4.0L V6 engine.